The 1920s and 1930s were a time of great change in America, especially in the home. The widespread adoption of labor-saving devices transformed the way households operated, making chores easier and faster than ever before. Number 1. The vacuum cleaner was another game changer. Instead of sweeping floors and carpets with a broom, households could now suck up dirt and dust with ease. Number 2. Electric refrigerators also came into widespread use during this period, replacing the old-fashioned icebox. Now, families could keep food fresh and cold without having to rely on regular deliveries of ice. Number 3. The electric washing machine was one of the most significant inventions of the era. No longer did women have to spend hours scrubbing clothes by hand. With a turn of the dial, the washing machine did the work for them. Number 4. The electric mixer was a significant labor-saving device that was widely adopted in American homes. Before the electric mixer, people had to mix dough and batter by hand, which was a time-consuming and labor-intensive task. All of these labor-saving devices freed up time for leisure activities, allowing families to spend more quality time together.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more to offer. Browse through our channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. We'll keep bringing you fun and informative videos, so stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.